Hey guys, welcome to our detailed review of the Aqua 7 pre-installed ATX mid-tower PC case. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're on the hunt for a stylish and functional computer case that perfectly balances aesthetics and performance, the Aqua 7 is a fantastic choice. Design and build quality. The Aqua 7 stands out with its panoramic view tempered glass front and side panels, which not only give your PC a sleek, modern look but also allow you to showcase your components in all their glory. The high-quality tempered glass is both durable and elegant, providing a clear view of your internal hardware and RGB lighting. Port and connectivity. One of the standout features of this case is its Type-C port, which ensures fast and efficient connectivity for the latest devices. The case also includes standard USB ports and audio jacks, making it versatile and user-friendly. The well-thought-out port layout helps keep your desk tidy and your connections easily accessible. Cooling and expansion. The Aqua 7 offers ample space for cooling solutions with support for multiple fans and radiators. This ensures that your components stay cool even during intensive gaming or high-performance tasks. The case also has sufficient clearance for a variety of GPU and CPU configurations, making it a great option for both gaming builds and high-end workstations. Ease of use. Building inside the Aqua 7 is a breeze, thanks to its well-designed interior layout. The case features cable management options and tool-free drive bays, which simplify the installation process and help keep your build neat and organized. The ample space inside allows for easy installation of components and upgrades. Conclusion. Overall, the Aqua 7 pre-installed ATX mid-tower PC case is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC with a touch of style. Its stunning panoramic glass panels, efficient cooling options, and practical features make it a standout option in the mid-tower case market. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just a PC enthusiast, the Aqua 7 will not disappoint.